Hello everyone, and welcome back to VetCare. In today's video, we are going to continue our journey in reproductive physiology by looking at the anatomy of the female reproductive tract. The female reproductive tract includes the ovaries, oviducts, uterus, cervix, vagina, and the external genitalia. Each part has a special role. The ovaries produce gametes, which are the eggs, and also secrete important hormones that control other parts of the reproductive tract. The oviducts provide the best environment for fertilization and also for the early development of the embryo before it attaches. The uterus is where sperm transport happens, early embryo growth takes place, and later the fetus attaches and develops. The cervix works like a barrier. It produces mucus during estrus and forms a tight cervical seal during pregnancy. The vagina acts as the organ for mating, and it also produces lubricating mucus when the animal is in heat. Now, if we look more closely, the female reproductive tract can be thought of as a series of tubes, like the oviduct, uterus, cervix, and vagina. All of these tubes have the same 4 layers. On the outside, there is the serosa, a protective covering. Just inside, we have the muscularis, which is made of smooth muscles that contract and help with movement. Beneath that is the submucosa, which contains blood vessels, nerves, and supporting tissues. Finally, on the innermost side, we have the mucosa, which is the secretory layer that produces fluids and has different types of cells in different regions. These layers together are important for moving gametes, transporting embryos, secreting fluids, and providing protection during mating and birth. The whole reproductive tract is covered by a membrane called the peritoneum, and from this develops the broad ligament. The broad ligament holds and suspends the ovaries, oviduct, uterus, cervix, and the upper vagina. It is also very important because it carries blood vessels, lymphatics, and nerves to these organs. The broad ligament has 3 main parts. The first is the mesovarium, which supports the ovary and supplies it with blood vessels and nerves. It also connects the ovary to the uterus through the utero-ovarian ligament. The second part is the mesosalpinx, which supports the oviduct and helps to guide the egg into it after ovulation. In some species, like dogs, the mesosalpinx even forms a pouch around the ovary called the ovarian bursa. Finally, we have the mesometrium, which is the largest part. It supports the uterine horns and the body of the uterus, literally making the uterus hangs from the body wall. In the next video, we will explore each part in more detail and connect its structure to its function. Stay tuned with VetCare for more clear and simple explanations in veterinary science.